Hello. In this video tutorial, we will be demonstrating on how to download and install XAMPP to Mac laptop. Open XAMPP site and then download XAMPP version 7.4.6. Once downloaded, open the file and then drag this icon, the XAMPP icon, to the application folder. Okay, after installing the software, you click the launchpad and then you can search from the icons here, the XAMPP icon. You can either type in here XAMPP and then double click to open. Okay, then you click start and wait until the IP address will appear at this side. Of the IP address, then you click services and click start all to initiate all the services. Okay, after all the services have turned green, it means that this is now ready. So you have to go back to the general tab, click go to application, and you will see this page. You can go to FAQs, you can go to how to guidelines, you can go to PHP info, and then you can go to PHP myadmin. To solve this problem, let us locate this file, httpd xampp.conf. Okay, locate this said file from applications. Okay, from applications and then under XAMPP, under APC, and then this file. We have to click stop to refresh and then again and wait until the IP address will appear. Okay, then click volume, click mount, back to general services, go back to go to application, and then click PHP admin, go to application, and click PHP myadmin. Thank you.